There's Little the cat.
Eat the cat. Eat the cat. You can eat the cat.
And Little is very little. That's why she's little.
That's why we call her Little. Well, that's why I call her Little. That's not actually her name. Get her. Get her. Go get the cat. Little, come. Little, come. Little. Okay.
Little, get in the picture. Get in the video. Get in the video.
Whether you want to or not.
Yeah, well, she wants to sit on my lap and have me pet her while I'm trying to do the video, and
come on.
That's just not really working right now.
Those are my pants. Don't you make it. Go get the cat. I want to get the cat. Don't let that cat bully you. That's a cat. You're a dog.
She's like, I'm a girl. I'm a puppy girl. Okay. Oh, Little, stop. Stop. I know.
Athena, come.
I'll pet you later. Go. Be in the video. Aria actually is very playful. she's like the little feisty princess.
And by the way, Little actually has claws.
Yeah.
Ooh.
And Amora is definitely coming into her own. She'll hop on everyone too. And Athena is very playful.
What's the matter, Little? Little, come. Little, come. Ooh, oh no, Little has you. Oh no.
Good girl. Gentle, Little.
Little.
Gentle with the babies.
Nice. Yeah, why don't you tell the dogs that? What's the matter, Little? Are you okay?
Yeah, she's okay.
Come here.
She's like, I had enough.
These guys are a pain. Oh no, no, where did Little go? Where did Little go?
Oh, here, Tom. This is the paper towel. So
Okay.
people can see the size.
This is a paper towel. This is a puppy. This is Aria.
That's Amora.
Sorry. This is Aria.
That's
I
Aria.
thought I had Aria. This is Amora.
Amora.
And this, where are you? Oh, there you are. And this is, I keep forgetting.
Athena.
Athena.
No.
Ow,
Athena.
ow, don't hit my foot.
Aria.
Oh, you're not supposed to bite toes. Leave my toes alone. Hey, Athena. Oh, okay, you went from licking to biting. No biting. No biting. Hey, Little. Oh, look, the cat's back. Oh, Little.
Good job, Aria.
Oh,
You're the
this was
winner.
too fast for you.
You knocked down the paper towel. Yay, you're the winner.
You don't want to get
Okay,
in
come
there?
on, Little. Come on up here. Up, up.
Bite the cat.
Good girl. Okay, that's it. All right, say bye, everybody. I think we
Come
did
here.
a lot of pictures and
Everyone
videos.
come. Everyone come.
At 8 weeks. What do you say? Please subscribe and like
Yes.
and leave a comment if you would like.
Please subscribe. Please like.
To
Ring the
such
bell
cuteness.
for notifications. Okay. And there you go.
Yeah. Say see you next time, everybody.